Okay, let's talk about calendar management and appointment setting tasks. First thing you will do, click Google Calendar on your Google Apps. This one. I'll show you some of Google Calendar features. Let's start here in setting. There is a trash, appearance, and prints. If you click this appearance, you can customize by light, dark, and default device. This time I will choose light. For color set, I will click modern and click done. And this is it. Beside for setting icon, there is a month, day, week, year. This is for a display for your calendar. This one, and I will choose for month. Another one here in my calendar, there is a event, birthday, task. This is a calendar event. You can customize here, customize colors like this one. You can customize whatever you want as long as you identify a certain uh, transaction or certain event happened in your calendar. Okay, next let's do a or let's create an event here or task here in my calendar. Example, on October 13 to 17, it's a week transaction. Let's put here week 1 for foundational skills. This is for a portfolio transaction, portfolio task for making a 2-week calendar MVA program. For this one, let's put a time. Okay, sample for this is 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. I am available and I will do this ev- event. Let's add for a Google Meet if this one, and also you can add for a description. For example, for day 1 for October 13, it has a orientation and goal setting. For day 2, introduction to VA communication skills. For day 3, day 4, email, and so on and so forth. And just click done. You can also add another can also add tasks. Example, on October 13, checking emails. This one, click tasks. You can also add time. For example, for 8 a.m. Okay, keep checking emails. This one, you can also edit this one. Let's do repeat it weekly on Monday. You can also customize this one. Like this one, you can end this at on October on Monday 27. Okay, just click done, and that's it. It shows here in your calendar. You can also add another task. Example, a review on MVA portfolios. It's just example that one. MVA portfolios. Okay, let's click task. Just the same odd time. Example for this, I am available at 1 p.m. and repeat. Okay, weekly on Tuesday. So every Tuesday, I will be reviewing my portfolios. You can also add description, then say like this one. Okay, so let's continue. Let's add a second week for our MBA program. Let's put here week 2, advanced tools and application. Okay, just one. Okay, same process. Let's add time for example here 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Just continue. Just join Google Meet location. Then add for description. Just one. Just and that's it. They here. This is our week two or 2 weeks of calendar for MVA program. Let's create an appointment setup for a pretend live coaching. So let's go to Google Calendar. Next, let's click create. This arrow down. Let's then choose appointment schedule and let's put a live coaching. The appointment duration of time will be 30 minutes. This is just a for example. And then for this general availability, let's click do not repeat. So let's assume that our live coaching will be on October 30. Date time will be 6 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. Okay, 6:30 p.m. So it will be 30 minutes. We can also add another time, another date. For example, let's add or additional another time, another day for live coaching will be on October 31, and then with a time availability for 7 p.m. or 7:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. Okay. Okay, let's assume here that this is okay. So let's click next. And then our location and conferencing will be on Google Meet. The link will be generated after the booking. For this description, you can write whatever you want, the motivational or the preparation, what to prepare during the live coaching, or the link, and yeah, whatever you want to type the description. So let's just put here for example the link, and then in the booking form let's required to have the first name, last name, email, and also you can add an item, for example a phone number, and the booking confirmation and reminders. So let's next click save. So this is to the live coaching booking appointments. So you can copy the link and you can share it to or send it to your client or customer. That's it. Here's the appointment set up for live coaching. And creating an appointment setup of a discovery call. Let's go to calendar also and create an appointment. Click this create and let's create an appointment schedule. So let's just example here for interview. You have in 1 hour. So let's click the repeat weekly. So we are available, for example, for 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. So let's continue to add it time here to Monday to Friday because we are assumed that we are available this time and this day. So let's click next. And for the location, let's click a Google Meet. And here, let's put whatever you want, a description. For example, um, a what are your position for applying? Example, I am applying for a bookkeeper. Yeah, and that is, and for booking form, it is required for a first name, last name, and email address, and then click save. And this is my booking appointment for a discovery call